so that we've seen a remarkable increase in improvement, and we're very pleased with the solution, and we feel that we've made the best choice. My name is William Lang. I'm the Director of Systems Integration with Humboldt Independent School District. As a leader in the Information Systems Department, my responsibilities include server administration, physical and virtual, closed circuit security camera systems, database administration, digital resources, data management, and our student information systems database. So Humboldt Independent School District was experiencing issues with our virtual server environment due to the technology that was underlying the environment. We had reliability issues and outages that lasted multiple days, and these outages caused data loss and data corruption. This was caused by a single point of failure in our technology stack. So we determined that this system would need to be replaced with something new. Additionally, this technology stack has a lot of performance issues, a lot of disk latency that was causing problems with our SQL databases and the enterprise applications that they serve. So one of the things that we are experiencing trouble with is extreme high disk latency on our existing infrastructure. 10, 15 milliseconds is kind of our baseline disk write and read latency. And running multiple Microsoft databases on top of that, obviously we're going to have a lot of performance problems. So one of the things immediately we notice is that our latency now is less than 1 millisecond consistently, no matter what we do on the array. And this has led to us having greater throughput on our SQL calculations, be it payroll or attendance calculations. They're taking a fraction of the time that they had previously. Additionally, we had issues with being able to vMotion virtual machines from host to host. It could take 15, 20 minutes sometimes, just due to the limited throughput that our existing system had. And now we can vMotion machines in a matter of seconds, just depending on how much RAM is allocated to them. So that we've seen a remarkable increase in improvement, and we're very pleased with the solution, and we feel that we've made the best choice. Another benefit of the DHCI solution was the one-click upgrade process to make sure we get all the latest and greatest service packs, firmware updates, and software and security fixes. On our old equipment, this would take approximately 30 hours, so every few months we would have to hire a vendor to come in and take the whole weekend to update our servers. And with the new DHCI environment from HPE, it's as simple as clicking one time, and maybe about an hour later, everything is up to date. So Humboldt ISD was looking for a local partner that could come into our data center and analyze our environment, what we were currently doing, and understand the mission that a large K-12 Texas school district has, and could propose to us a solution that was cost effective and met the needs of the district. Humboldt ISD solicited solutions from multiple data center providers. At the end, we decided to go with the HPE Electra DHCI environment. We felt that this solution provided the most features for the price point that we were looking at. One of the major determining factors was InfoSight, the proactive monitoring and management solution that watches the entire environment, all three tiers of the virtual environment, and provides proactive monitoring and basically watches our environment 24/7, 365. And we felt like this was almost like an additional team member that could watch our systems, even though we might be only staffed during the day. It runs all the time. We felt that having one solution with one contract of support that covers all three tiers was additional benefit. We had one phone number to call if something was going on, whether it be networking, compute, or storage. So in addition to the InfoSight platform, we felt that the HPE solution as a disaggregated HCI gave us the flexibility to grow in the future as data needs for K-12 districts are growing faster than other needs. It gives us the ability to buy just more storage without having to procure unneeded hardware, unneeded processing power. We can just expand the tier that we needed at the time. We felt that this would be a cost-effective way to grow our system in the future based on unknown forecasted needs. We also felt that the ability to have the inline dedupe and compression would allow us to get more out of the storage that we were buying, giving us a value add. Lastly, we felt that the ProLiant system stack from HPE, now in its 11th generation, is a proven technology that has been running for decades in many of our peers, school districts around us, and it has proven track record of reliability and performance. One of the things that we liked about the HPE DHCI solution was the InfoSight platform. This was a major determining factor, being able to monitor our environment 24/7, 365. At Humble ISD, we serve multiple life-critical safety systems, such as E911 and our own police department. And these departments run 24/7, 365. So we need to make sure that our infrastructure is up to the task of supporting these departments. Unfortunately, we do have a limited operational budget in IT, so having another member of our team almost who can sit there and watch our environment and alert us proactively of problems before they become major outages has been able to provide us a better SLA to these departments and make sure that we can support them in their mission. Humble ISD serves 65,000 customers across 99 square miles in the Northeast Houston region. We feel that the DHCI solution will provide a better reliability than what we are currently utilizing. Just because the school day's over doesn't mean that the services and infrastructure don't need to keep running. Having that increased reliability makes sure that we can serve those students and community members who may need to check their students' progress report at 5 o'clock in the morning, or maybe they need to log on to their learning management platform at 11 o'clock at night. Knowing that the servers and infrastructure that we have will keep running through the night without any issues will provide us a better service level for our community. The process to get the DHCI solution installed was turnkey, white glove experience with both HPE and Prescriptive data solutions. Both teams came into our data center, helped with the racking and stacking, cabling, get everything configured from the networking to the storage to the compute. We basically had to provide them uplink cables and a set of IP addresses, and they took over the rest. Once everything was set up, when we were ready to configure the final make ready and deployment, it was a collaborative environment with HPE and Prescriptive data to make sure we understood what was being configured and why, so we had a clear knowledge transfer and ownership path to taking over the DHCI environment. We're very pleased with our decision of the DHCI platform and working with Prescriptive Data Solutions. We feel that this partnership has been mutually beneficial and that it's very collaborative and supportive because both of these partners understand what our needs are and what the needs are of the Humble community and are helping us to provide top-level services to our students, staff, and faculty.